Hundreds of people die from the opioid crisis in Nevada every single year. Take a look at this CDC data from 2021. It shows out of more than 900 overdose deaths, more than half were opioid related. The crisis continues to impact southern Nevada, and emergency visits for overdoses continue to rise year after year. State lawmakers mandated action. Starting today, a Clark County opioid task force will take a closer look at deaths and how they can be prevented.
The Clark County in Nevada has a serious opioid epidemic, and one that I think is in need of attention.
Jamie Sorensen of Clark County Social Services was appointed to the brand new task force to tackle the opioid epidemic in Clark County. State lawmakers mandated the creation this summer. The mission: track the deadly trends and find solutions. State data shows in Clark County alone, October emergency room overdose visits rose 19%, rising year over year. The number of prescriptions also ticked up.
The opioid epidemic is something that, so many communities are concerned about and trying to address. And I think the task force brings together the agencies within a community that are touching this issue on a daily basis.
Members of the task force are doctors in social services or work in public health. Lawmakers and advocates behind the bill say statewide data on opioid-related deaths lags considerably, preventing communities from responding to crises in real time. The intent is when deaths occur, the task force can track the trends. Who are the victims? Where are deaths happening? Where should large quantities of naloxone go and are needed? Illicit pills often contain fentanyl, which can prove deadly. Sorensen says Clark County's at-risk populations, the homeless, youth coming out of foster care, or those with disabilities can be vulnerable and need resources.
Really put forward some recommendations that can be good interventions, good treatment resources. What is it that we can do to educate our community and prevent opioid use and misuse?
The first meeting of the new task force is in February. Anyone who needs naloxone or any fentanyl testing strips, there are free resources all across the valley. We have the details where in this story on FoxEyeVegas.com.